Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to convert Blum Coin into USDT. So there are only certain types of actual exchanges that will convert it. So one is Gate.io and the second is your Kraken. So we are going to use Gate.io because it's a easier one to use rather than Kraken. So right here all you have to do is actually search up your convert right here and then press the functions for convert and then select Blum and then you'll receive USDT as opposed to your Blum. So let's just say you have a 1 million Blum and you can convert it into USDT right here. So there you go. So there's only a maximum amount that you can convert. So let's go with 10,000 right here. So this will convert it into USDT basically, and there you go. So that is how you convert your Blum coin to USDT. So there you go.